kind of performance with a normal muffler. That's all to do with the straight pipe. So we're gonna stick this son of a bitch in fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, probably B1. We got this big fucking thing behind it here. We're gonna just step it out of the way. Ready to go dig some holes or what? Why, you're going to? Why? Oh, you can do it.
I don't know how.
Well, there's only one way to learn. So last year when we were digging in the water to the hydrant over there, the hydraulic pump on the other side's driven off of the old pulley, the belt pulley comes down here, and it stripped this gear off. So found this double sprocket on the old parts combine out in the back there where Dad was looking. That goes across with a shaft to this big pump, which feeds from that tank in the front, and then that's what runs the boom back here. She likes her eater, this thing, so need some crack. Anyways, we'll give her a little sniff here and she'll be going. Of course, once I stopped videoing it, then it started. Better get some weights on the front. It had those John Deere plate weights on it. We took them off, put them on 40/20, so I have some other actual massy ones to put on here. It's quite the old homemade unit, this thing, but alright, see if he can get down off of the hill. And then we'll throw those other weights on. Here's the other weights I've got. They're from my great uncle. A couple of them are from his 1105 or 1135, whatever Massey, and then the other ones he's not really sure, but cast weights as weights. Should work, eh? Not John Deere, but I mean, what do you do? Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, I got the new cab kit here finally for the 895. So, we'll climb up and I'll show you what we got going on in here. I already pulled out all the old stuff. Clean up some of the shit in here a little bit, but yeah. Oh, I got a call coming. I'll bring you back in a minute. Alrighty, back. So, we have all of our big disaster harness going on over here for the Raven. And then we've got the air seeder monitor here. That runs the big flexi-coil drill. This is for the anhydrous. That's our camera system, 4-camera system. That is the iPad holder, phone holder. And then down here on the floor, we've got a small air box. It's a little air compressor that runs the emergency shut off on the anhydrous cart. So anyway, we have all of the pillars to do, but this one is still on and in fairly good shape. So I might actually just leave it be, because I don't want to have to unbolt all of this to get it on there. This back one here, I got one bolt. I'm hoping I can just undo that one bolt that's back here and get everything out of the way and then be able to put it on. So comes with instructions here, but it doesn't really say what to be piece number 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. So I think we're just going to start with some of the big pieces, like the back behind the seat here, the chunk above your head, and then there's big corner pieces there, and there, the door, and there's some other pieces too that I'm not quite sure what they are, but I got to figure it out. And then we've got this piece as well to change, but this one's not in too bad a shape, but I don't know if I've got to undo all of this or not here to be able to get it out, or if it's just up against it. So I'm not, I don't know. It's in pretty good shape, honestly, this one, so I might end up just leaving it be if I end up having to take all of this apart to be able to get it in there. So anyway, kit is through high capacity for any of you guys who have one of these tractors. I know the interiors never really hold up the best on them, and for a long time the only way to put a cab kit in one of these was to buy a roll of foam and make it yourself. So it's pretty cool that there's someone offering a kit like this again. So I'll give them a little bit of support here anyways. I got 2 to do for sure. You can get it in black or in the old versatile burgundy red for the older units, because not all of them are black like this. So anyway, we will get to it here. Well, if anyone was wondering, Amanda's giving free hay and wagon rides here today. Oh, I don't even know what we videoed last. This video's just got, I've been so fucking busy here. I've had a really hard time working on one thing enough to make a whole video of it. We got the backhoe going. Dad dug in the power line for the water bowl that we never got done last fall because it froze and the backhoe buggered up on us. So that was that sprocket that he welded on there. I loaded a Super B worth of barley yesterday, and there's 2 more coming today. Going for malt out in Winnipeg. Fair drive from here. Amanda bought 3 more cows yesterday, 2 goggle-eyed Simmentals and another speckled park. So we went and got them. Cab kit's pretty well all done in the 895. We'll dip in there and I'll show you that. We're changing all the hydraulic lines on it. One blew out. Usually when one blows, the rest aren't far behind. So changing all of them out. Now we're just moving a creep feeder out. This is one of the neighbors there, actually, a guy Dad works with at the RM. It needs some welding done on it, so he brought it here for Dad to weld it for him. And then we're going to clean up some other stuff in the yard here real quick, and we'll probably start seeding on at the end of the week here, kind of deal. Oh yeah, and yesterday we went and took the loading auger off of that parts air cart at Grandpa Henry's, and that's at home here. So we'll probably put that on here too after a little bit. But anyway, figured get you caught up on what's going on here. I can't even really remember what all we videoed, so anyway, should still make a good video. I guess we'll talk to you again here in a little bit. Well, this is the second Super B going out. And there's one yesterday morning. Now this guy here about 2 o'clock, he got here. It's 2:30 now. They'll be coming back again here about supper time for another one, the other truck, and then there'll be one more tomorrow. And whatever I got left, I'm gonna sell for feed. Because feed is actually better money than what I sold this as malt for here a few months ago, if you didn't believe that or not. The usual, I guess, but whatever. This is picked up, so at least all I gotta do is start an auger. The other stuff I'll have to haul here after, but there'll only be a couple loads anyway, but yeah. Get this loaded up, and I'll throw a jag of fuel on the slip tank here. Lose my hubcap. That would piss me off. Oh, loose. Stripped out, probably. That's nice. Anyway, I'm head her on home. Antoine's working on getting the sprayer sorted out. We'll try that out. Maybe do some spraying. And then I want to start seeding here in the next day or two. So that is what is going on. And we will talk to you again in a few. Well, I'm inside the bin here at Grandpa's now. Loading up another truck, but the other bin we started in is got some junk coming down from the roof. I don't know if some snow blew in or what, but I don't want that going for malt. They'll go and reject the load. So Antoine's on his way with a tandem, and we'll get that pull a load out with the tandem and make sure it's good, and if it's not, then I guess I'm fucked, so we'll figure it out. Anyway, get them loaded up with what's in here at least anyway, and go from there. So talk to you in a few. Well, it only took all fucking night, and I had to come home to finish it off, but there goes another Super B. I have to do some fucking around tomorrow to try to get that bin sorted out, see if I got any good grain left in it or not. Otherwise, I'll have enough to fill a front half of a Super B, and then the rest Rob has grain there, so use his to finish off the contract so I don't end up owing them money. It's a son of a bitch, you know, when you have stuff that doesn't want to keep no matter what you do. It's dark out. Not much to see in the video, but anyway. We'll get things sorted out. Yeah, good video, eh? Just all kinds of ups and downs, just like a roller coaster. Antoine's leaving. There he goes. Anyway, we'll get it figured. Got one more Super B to go, and then I guess I'm gonna have to try marketing some feed barley and see what I can find for a home for that and the price. I don't know, the price wasn't too bad on it. We'll see. Some of it's shitty in there and some of it's good. I don't know. Fucking throw it in a Super B and send it to Alberta. Some pigs can eat it. Good enough. Anyway, I guess that's enough for this video because I've about had it for today. You probably can understand why. Oh, is there gas in this? Oh, our radio's on. No, there's not much gas in there. Okay, I guess we'll put some gas in now. Anyways, I suppose that's where I'll leave you guys. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Keep a guy from getting the rope that way. And we'll talk to all you guys in the next one.